Let's go ahead now and apply your first styles. Open Notepad, add the doc type and the HTML tags and the boilerplate attributes that go with these, as I've done here. I usually copy and paste these from an existing HTML document. You can use my document called empty_page.htm in the work files folder to open up this file. I've included the boilerplate information for the doc type, the head tag, the title tag here, the closing head tag, and then the opening and closing body tags, as well as the closing HTML tag. So you can go ahead and either type this in or copy my file. Now we're ready to add our style tag. Start defining our styles. So place your cursor somewhere between the opening and closing head tag, probably right after the title, and type the following: >style type equals, and then in quotation marks, text /CSS. Close that off with a greater than sign. There's my opening style tag. Add another line, and then in the line following your style tag, write <, exclamation point, and then 2 dashes like that. That's the opening tag for our style definitions. Let's go ahead now and define our first style. Let's use one for the body selector, so we're going to redefine our body tag. Write the word body, opening curly brace, color, purple. There is our property. We're going to change the color property of the body tag. The value equals purple. Close the declaration with a semicolon, and then add the closing curly brace. So there we've defined our very first style. Add a couple more lines of space underneath that body style. And now let's define another style, this time the H1 selector. Open the curly brace. This time I'm going to write 3 properties with 3 values: font size :36px, semicolon, font-weight, bold, semicolon, and color, blue, semicolon. Close that out with a closing curly brace like so. Putting my properties on multiple lines makes that easier to read. Those are all the styles that I'm going to write for now. So now we need to close off the style tag with a -- greater than sign, and then in the next line close the style tag, sign, / style, greater than sign. You now have your first styles that you can now use to format this page. To apply these styles, simply type some text between your opening and closing body tags. Go down here. Remember, I redefined the body tag, so any text I put there should be purple. Let's go ahead and write the word content in between my body tags there. Let's save the HTML file. And now if we preview this page in our browser, notice that the word content is the only content I have here, and it's indeed purple. Now let's add some H1 text to see these styles being applied to that text. So go back here to the body section of my document, add some lines underneath the word content, and type in the header tag, the header text, and then the closing header1 tag. Notice that has to be an H1 because I've redefined the H1 selector up here. Let's go ahead and save our document and reload this in our browser, Internet Explorer, and there is my header text. Notice that it is blue. Its font size 36 pixel, and the font weight is bold. Let's go ahead and change this to red, like so. Save our document. Refresh the page, and now my header 1 text is red.